Spring is here and I'm up working in Cave Creek today. A friend told me this Lowe's has a really good garden center, so I thought we'd stop in and see what kind of plants they have. And right away, look at this. They actually have a really big cactus section right out front. Some people absolutely love cactus and others not so much, but you can't deny how interesting they are. And one of the reasons cactus are so fascinating is because they've evolved to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Fun fact, these spines you see on a cactus actually serve a few purposes. They help protect the plant from animals, but they also help shade the cactus from intense sun and reduce water loss. And this store actually has quite a variety here. Some small ones, some medium-sized, and a few really big ones too. If you like cactus, this would definitely be a fun place to walk through. I always find it interesting how every cactus looks a little different. Some grow tall, some grow round, some cluster together, some look like they have hair. They all adapt to survive with very little water. I'll be honest, cactus aren't really the main plants I grow at my house, but I still appreciate how unique they are. So that's a quick look at the cactus section here at Cave Creek Lowe's. But let's see what else they have. When I was recording this video, I couldn't help but notice how friendly some of the employees are. This store isn't one of the biggest Lowe's, but it actually has a great variety of plants. If you're looking for a special plant, these employees here at the Cave Creek Lowe's are definitely ready to help you with all your plant needs. If you enjoy seeing different plants in garden centers like this, go ahead and subscribe and follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.